So tonight I have the telescope set up down at Cable Beach to capture the moonset, which will occur in about 15 minutes. There's the moon. And it's quite incredible when you look at the software how changing the exposure value of the camera will dramatically change what we can actually see. There is the crescent moon, but if I increase that exposure value, you can clearly see the non-illuminated portion of the moon. And my plan tonight is to capture the moonset at a very high exposure value. Something like this. And this is one of the advantages of using an astronomy camera. It gives us so much control over the exposure value. Already the moon has dimmed significantly to the naked eye as it approaches the horizon. But by increasing the exposure value, we can still see the non-illuminated portion of the moon very clearly. So just a few minutes until the moon sets, and as soon as it begins to disappear, I will increase the exposure value so that we can see the non-illuminated portion setting as well. So please forgive my indulgence here, but there seem to be a number of flat earthers who believe I sit on my computer all day replying to them. Nothing could be further from the truth. The majority of my responses to comments on YouTube are done from my mobile phone or from an iPad when I am out and about doing other things. Additionally, I have recently been accused of slaving away for my corporate masters. So the following clips will show you just how hard I work for them. So I'm on the other side of Broome now, just heading down towards Matzo's for breakfast. I was planning to go to the Dragonfly Cafe, but I went there yesterday. So we'll try something different today. This is the life of a corporate slave, mate. Just deciding where to eat. Matzo's. Good coffee, nice breakfasts. And this is how I reply to most of the comments on YouTube. While sitting in a cafe, waiting for a coffee and deciding what to have for breakfast. So as a token of my appreciation for all the laughs, I decided to have fish and chips for lunch today. And that watermelon margarita is fabulous. Ah, the life of a corporate slave. And there is another spectacular sunset in Broome. Now, for many years, some flat earthers have been complaining about not seeing my face. And I'm not sure why, because what I look like has no bearing on the shape of the earth at all. These same people have seen the faces of Greater Sapien, Critical Think, Simon Dan, and Soundly, and yet they still won't believe what these excellent flat earth debunkers have been telling them. I'm sure that seeing my face will not convince a single flat earther that the earth is a globe. However, let's put them out of their misery, and right now I'm going to show them my face.